Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I continue working on my unusual vest decorated with fringe. I got this idea a long time ago, and now I'm happy to have an opportunity to show it to you. I've already applied the white stripes. Natalie has edged the armholes and stitched the chest darts and the side tucks. We can continue decorating. Please, be creative. Think of different designs. Use your imagination. In the next video, I'll show you the finished garment and its combination with trousers, a dress, and a skirt. The vest will suit a lot of garments from my wardrobe. I can't wait to try it on. I've applied 4 white double-layer stripes. I've decided not to attach the 5th one. The following stripes are single-layered. They are 5 cm wide. The distance between the stripes will be 2 cm. I'm going to distribute the stripes first, and then attach them with an iron. I remind you that the distance between the white stripes was 1.5 cm. I need to mark the location of the stripes. The stripes on top of the vest will be even tighter, and the distance between them bigger. It wouldn't be right to attach these stripes by side. Apply them this way and then draw the marks. The vest is going to be so beautiful. The following stripes will be 4 cm wide. I'd just like to show you the general idea. I want you to understand that you can apply this idea to different garments. You can decorate a skirt this way, or a jacket. A jacket can be combined with a top. Or you can make a similar vest and wear it on top of a dress. These stripes are 4 cm wide. I can't wait to see the result. I gave up on the idea of decorating the stripes with beads. I think that it would be too much. But if you like it, you can add some other decorative details. The distance between these stripes should be bigger. I'm doing everything by sight. I enjoy this creative process. I don't often have such opportunity. I think that the vest is going to be very beautiful. These 3 stripes are 5 cm wide, and the next ones are 4 cm wide. We've already stitched the chest darts. Take it into consideration. I want to make the distance between these stripes even bigger. The distance between these stripes is 3 cm. We'll attach the details stripe by stripe. I just want to show you the general idea. Very well. These stripes are just 3 centimeters wide. The fusible material for them will be 1 centimeter wide. The distance between these stripes will be 4 centimeters. When I finish distributing the stripes, I'll call Natalie for help. Very nice. The distance between the first stripes is 1.5 centimeters. Then 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and the distance between the top stripes is 4 centimeters. The vest is going to be very beautiful. I already love it. I'm so happy that I can finally share this idea with you. I've been thinking about making such vest for about a year. Next, I need to detach the stripes and then apply them one by one. We're going to finish decorating today. In the next video, I'll show you a review of the finished garment. I'll show you how I'm going to combine it with different garments. Have a closer here. We've pinned the fusible material to the stripes. Natalie will take the pins out before pressing. Anyway, it makes the work easier. We've cut the stripes of different width. I recommend you thinking about such things in advance. In this case, you wouldn't waste time thinking about it while working. As I've said, we've pinned the pieces of the fusible material to each of the stripes. Next, I need to mark the location of each stripe. 2 centimeters here. I need to measure and mark 2 centimeters up from the attached detail. Apply each stripe this way. I need to check the distance down to the bottom. 32 centimeters here. And 32 centimeters here. Very well. I can apply the next stripe now. Natalie is going to help me. Do not forget to take the pins out. Stretch organza a bit, but do not stretch the stripes. They shouldn't gather the fabric. Be very attentive. Apply the stripes according to the marks and take the pins out. I love working with Natalie. She's an amazing tailor. Try to make it even. The detail should be accurate. Let's move on to the second stripe. Make sure to spread the fabric thoroughly. The edges will fray. It would look very nice. The vest will be light and at the same time pretty strong. I love it. It's going to be very beautiful. Have a look here. We've attached almost all of the stripes. We'll finish doing it off the camera. In the next video, we'll give you a review of the finished garment. We'll show you its combination with trousers, skirts, dresses. I believe that it's clear now how to make this decoration. I hope that you like this technique, and my idea will inspire you to create different designs with similar decoration. You can change the design however you like. Attach beads, pearls, chains, whatever you want. Try to be creative. Use your imagination and do not be afraid of experiments. I'm very happy to be able to show you this design. I got this idea for a very long time. I can finally share it with you. And that makes me happy. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.